one thing I've done is across projects, I've instilled in every workflow before I touch the data goes through a data prep tool. So I've worked with Tableau Prep and Data Prep, Google's Data Prep with BigQuery. But at this point now, I just won't work with data without having some kind of tool where I could get that 100-foot view and know that the data I'm reporting on is what it says that it is, because in these tools, you can see an overview of, oh, well, you know what? 17,000 rows aren't showing up because for these 17,000 rows, date was formatted as month, day, year, year, and the rest of the data source was year, month, day. So, or, I'm finding all of these countries that are reported differently across different data sources. Like one will call Russia, Russian Federation, and another one is Russia. If you don't have some kind of data prep tool that you're working with to see, like at that granular level, you could be reporting on data and no one would have any idea because we're always rolling it up. Even if we segment, we're rolling it up by country or, or by device or, whatever it is that we're rolling it up by. So now that, I just had this conversation this week where I was just like, you know what? And we're working with BigQuery, all the data is coming from BigQuery, and and the person who put it in there feels confident that it's clean. But when I pulled it into Google's data prep tool, we found so many issues, so many nulls, having to decide, all right, how do we handle nulls? Do we want to replace it with a 0 or do we want to keep it as a null? Do we want to, so anyway, so that's how. I think unless it's incorporated into your workflow, there isn't going to be discipline because it's going to depend on the whims of whoever is looking at the data at that particular time.